There's an old, let me turn stereo down. There's an old Traulsen. I think it's got the 4 little doors, about the same size as a 2-door. It's had the condensing unit remoted. Compressor sounds terrible and the evaporator coil leaks. Gonna replace the evaporator coil, install a TXV on it, get rid of the cap tube, and install a new condensing unit. This one's 134A. And let's get out there and we'll do this little job. There's the cap tube. Get rid of all that. There's no 4-door. That's the condensing unit that's coming out right here. We'll get it all recovered. All set up here. A little purge out. Get this recovered, get this out of here. Got a new condensing unit for it. The field piece, MR45 recovery machine is my favorite one out of all of them, and it's not just because Field Priest gave it to me for free to use, but I've used it for over a year now, and it's been absolutely out of sight. I mean, seriously. My other recovery machine is still the Pro Max. The R5000, I think it is. I like this way better than that machine. Field Piece knocked it out of the park. If you need a recovery machine, I'd get this one right here. It's a good recovery machine. To do the liquid line here, a couple things that were depressing. There was no nitrogen charge in this condensing unit or dry air charge. This valve is open, this valve is open, there's nothing in there, so roll the dice and see what happens. That means it came from the factory without a charge in it. It's just the state of our industry these days. We got this guy all ringed out and shined up. I'm going to fit this one up in here. Let me get 2 hands on it. You have to wrap these sight glasses. These Emerson ones, or they will do. They'll leak on you, they'll turn black. All kinds of weird stuff. Or if you got your little putty ball, put your putty ball on there, or your goo, like your goo. I'm going to use a wet rag on this one to see if we can get it. over this way, fold over this way, and in. 3/8. Alright, there's the old coil that's coming out. And it was cap tip, see? I'm gonna run the new one as a TXV. This is our old thermostat right here. I'm gonna change that out too. Yeah, look at that. There's the old one. Alright, let's get this out of there. The old evaporator coil, I pulled it out. You can see it's been fixed right here before. And then there's a bunch of more leaks over here. It's been weeping. And it was a cap tube fed. I'm gonna make the new one run off this TXV. The new condenser has a receiver in it. So we're gonna switch it over to TXV and get rid of the cap tube. So let me go get the other coil and we'll get it all fitted up. All right, I got the old coil out. We'll do a little house cleaning in the drain pan. Here's what it looks like in there. Get the drain pan cleaned up. Get some of these chunks out of there. While we got the coil out. House cleanup. Here's a freshie. Let's see if we got the right one. Let's open it up. We'll find out. Loaded. Straighten out a couple little fins in there from shipping. And we're good to go. Put her all flipped up. Just like that. Bam! The new coil is all set up for a TXV. And it's the 1/2 inch right here. Boom, boom. Right here, it's a lot easier to go ahead and sweat it up piece by piece while you're outside than inside of the box. So I'm going to make this one first. Then we'll get it in here. And then I got the liquid line where it's going to come in. It's going to push down from 1/4 inch to 3/8. And we'll get that all getting prepped and ready here. You guys do this extruded piece right here, the copper ball is really thin. So you're going to want to be real careful brazing that up right there. Just a heads up. There it is, ready to get reinstalled. TXV. It's clamped on. Had to sand a bunch of the coating off there to get the bulb to stick. We've got a 3/8 by 1/4 inch bushing here. This will wiggle waggle, so the pipe will come in behind, connect right there. 1/4 inch will come in there. So move a little bit, it's got a little bit of wiggle room. Let's go get it in there. It's in 154.3 on that side, 154 on this side. And we'll see where that ends up, then we'll get it on the vacuum. 17 minutes in, no change. Outer on the vacuum pump. We're down to 1150 on our way down. And then we'll get it charged up and running, and we'll see where we come out to here on this one. The field piece smart probe in the box for a temperature as the box is pulling down. Since the box is in there and we're out here, see how they're broadcasting? There's an upgrade, or an update I should say, on the app. We'll see how that's working. We'll use the 550s out here on the unit and see how it does. Filming good, and then it fizzled out. I just had to get it done, so it's working really good. I got 2 more calls. It's late. It's like 7:40 at night. I need to go look at a walk-in box. Sounds like the condensate drain's unplugged. It says it's leaking some water all over. We'll take a quick look at that. And then I got a neat one where it's at a taqueria and they're saying the makeup table, the guys have the stainless steel big spoons, and when they put them in there, he says it sparks. So there's got to be like a shorted out wire or something in that makeup table. And I really want to check that out. It sounds really interesting, so I can't wait to get over there.
Well, it had been sparking. All along here, you can see some black marks on the edge. And I'm trying to get it to spark for myself right here. Checked all the wires and stuff. And I think I fixed the ground on it. But I noticed, you'll see in the next clip, there used to be plastic lip all around this. And the box is so deteriorated, it's missing. And I'll show you guys.
You have plastic on the lip right here, and it's all gone. So now it's just metal.